Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to quickly set up an autoresponder. If you have an autoresponder and you know how to use it, basically all you got to do is create a form and copy and paste the code into this autoresponder code. I use a autoresponder called Rocket Responder. Some autoresponders are very similar on how to set up like this, but if you don't have an autoresponder and you want to get into autoresponders, I highly recommend this Rocket Responder by TimTech. So basically what you want to do is after you get into your and log into your Rocket Responder account, you go over here to Manage Lists, and then you want to add a new list. And this one's going to be specifically for our eBrand profile pages, so we can, or whatever program we want, so we can put in, let's say I'm going to promote traffic to prosperity. That'll be my list name. I want to create a page where they subscribe to, so I can type in T2P subscribe. And I'm going to make my emails come from me, Eric Abbott. Whenever they register with my autoresponder, that's what the name's going to be, from email. Then I'm going to put in my email so that if I get any responses to my autoresponder, it will go directly to my email. You have to put in your information because it is the law. If you go with autoresponders, you have to show where you're from, so that the spam laws require that. And this right here is where you can put in a little note saying I will not spam you if you subscribe this or share any of your information to anyone. And you can put in a little note below the confirmation link if you want to. Here you can put in your notifications if you want it. If you do not want it to notify you every time a subscriber subscribes to your list, you can make it to where it does notify you when they do. And you can also have it notify only whenever they confirm their email addresses. So I like to get notified whenever someone signs up, so I'm going to hit save. And now we want to go to forms. Now we're going to go to settings first. Now after we do this, we're going to go to forms, and we are going to hit design a new form. Okay, now here's where you can design your form. Now the first thing we want to do is we want to go to options, and we want to, you see where it says thank you page? This is where we're going to put our affiliate link in to wherever we want our leads to sign up to or to go to. Right now it's going to go to mysite.com/thanks, which does not exist. This is very important because this is the page. If you do not change this, they're just going to go to a blank page basically. So we're going to go to, since I'm promoting Traffic to Prosperity, I'm going to go to Traffic to Prosperity, going to log in, and I'm going to go get my affiliate link in my affiliate toolbox, and I'm going to copy. I'm going to paste it into the thank you page. And so now whenever they go here, they will be directed to my affiliate link at Traffic to Prosperity. The confirm page, same thing. Whenever they go to your email, whenever they go to their email to confirm, they want to be taken to your affiliate link as well. And you can do a conversion image. I skipped this one, but if you're using a tracker, you can track where your subscribers are coming from if you want to put in a tracker link here. Now we want to go to design, and we're going to design it. Now depending on what you want your background to be in your color scheme and whatnot. Just really depends. For right now, I'm going to just leave it at this. What I'll do is I'll make my width a little smaller in my form box. I'll go down to about 220. As you can see, it makes it a little bit smaller. More than likely, I'm going to go with a blue theme. And on my font, I'm going to make it a little darker blue. And on my button, which is right here, I'm going to make it a little dark blue as well. You can do it to whatever you want. The only reason why I'm choosing blue is because more than likely I'm going to be choosing a blue themed background for Traffic to Prosperity. You can change up the text here. You can put in join Traffic to Prosperity, and it will change up. You can make the font size smaller if you want. You can change up the font to make it look nice. Okay, so that looks okay. So after we do all that, we want to go back up. We want to hit Get Code, and we're going to hit Generate HTML Code, and it's going to pop up with that. All you do is you take it, highlight this with your mouse, right click and hit Copy. Go back to your eBrand profile, and this is where you put in the autoresponder code. It says autoresponder code. You just paste it in there, and you go down, hit Update Settings, and that's how you do it. Now you want to fill out the rest of this. You want to select a background, or you can put in a background right here if you want, if you have your own background. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna choose like a blue themed. So I'll choose like a beach here. I'll hit Update Settings again. Just put in some of my information. Testing. This is a test tutorial for autoresponders. And I'll go down and hit Update Settings again. Now let's see what it looks like. I hope it looks good. So as you can see, I have my background set up. I don't have my picture on there, but I can fix that. Just go to Image Settings and select the picture and hit Update Splash Page Picture. Since this is a splash page and it says picture successfully updated, you just hit View Page again. There's my picture. There's my testing. You can easily change up this area here. All we got to do is go over here to Background Settings, and where it says header background color, just click on that. We want to choose like a bluish color for it. We'll go with kind of a light blue here. We'll see how that looks and go with that. Got different shades here. You just kind of look around and see what you like, see what that looks like. Hopefully it looks good. Just refresh. You see it kind of matches now with the background. So it's going to look pretty good once I put some content in here. If you want, you can go with a smaller picture so you have more room. I uploaded a smaller picture, which is right here. So let's see what that looks like. Now I have a smaller picture. I'll have more room to put in right here, and it will just look a little better. You can change up the footer as well. Just go to Background Settings, and where it says Footer BG Color, select the same one. Let's see which one that was. I can just really, all I got to do is copy my header background so that make sure it's the same one, and then copy and paste the footer background number into the footer background number. Hit update settings. Now the footer also has the same. And my autoresponder is looking good with it, and that's how you set up an autoresponder.